What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And we definitely had some patterns play out very nicely overnight, guys. And we had a price pump right out of this ascending triangle, which actually touched my major form of resistance up here, guys, that I predicted months ago, guys. This is just incredible. We actually touched my bottom prediction and my top prediction, guys. I could not be happier with this. And there's definitely some patterns playing out right now, which could yield some good profits. I want to make sure you guys can make that trade on your favorite exchange. And guys, I'm very happy to report that I've got my computer up and running again, and as I'm sure you can probably tell, which is very exciting. I should have done this like 6 months ago. My gosh, my computer's just extremely fast now, and it's totally clean, 2 terabytes in it. My gosh, that feels really awesome, guys. And with all this price action, my gosh, so many things to be grateful for, guys. And if you're not making the money you deserve, you owe it to yourself to sign up to the student program, guys. I want to talk about a few different coins today, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Electroneum. My gosh, guys, if you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, I just broke my first 100 followers, guys. This is pretty epic. I joined a long time ago, but I've only actually been doing Twitter a couple months, so this is a pretty cool milestone, even though it's just 100. Many more followers to come, guys. And be mindful, when I change the color of my eyes, that's the way I'm leaning right now. So for instance, this morning I had green lasers down to my palms showing extreme bullishness. I'm still leaning a little bit bullish right now, guys. We definitely have a lot of cool stuff to talk about today. Alright guys, so let's just jump into the Bitcoin price action right now. So we definitely have a lot of cool stuff going on right here. So we had a nice ascending triangle right here, which broke out to the downside. Very clear indication plays right into it right here, specifically even the 7 and the 20. Nice little breakdown right into a nice little ascending tightening wedge right here, which ended up breaking back up to the upside, which was a nice little bounce off of the new support. Remember, guys, when a target plays out of a pattern, you can start to think, hey, is this a new pattern forming out, for instance? Okay, and that's exactly what happened right there. Okay, so as soon as that pattern ended, new potential patterns began, hence the ascending triangle played out, and it just pumped even out of the small wedge right here, and we're also forming a new pattern as we speak, guys. And what's really amazing, guys, is I actually predicted this point a long time ago, guys, because it plays relevance to a previous top, guys. It's a major form of resistance, guys. That's why we got a literal double rejection off it, okay? And we formed a couple patterns off it straight away. So let's just draw them right now, okay? I'm actually going to make these orange because these could potentially be a big pattern. Now, guys, let's be very real here. This could be either a wedge or a bull flag for both reasons. One, we have a breakout into it. We have a flipping of the EMAs, which specifically on the 1 hour, which means that it could be a bull flag. Bull flags also look like wedges, okay, guys? And the reason it is leaning more towards a flag is just because of how it broke out. But understand, guys, we must combine that with volume, okay? So always pull up your volume indication. So what I'm reading right now from the volume is that we have a decrease in volume happening. What happens when we have a decrease in volume, guys? Moving average moving down, that's consolidation. That's exactly what that sideways motion is right there, okay? As soon as we get the next pump, we will get a movement out of this small pattern. Get your trades ready to make that profit a reality for yourself, guys, okay? But just in simplicity, if we break the resistance right here, look for a long. If we break the support, look for a short, guys. And remember your measurements, just use wedge theory for this one, okay? And what the reason I say that, even though I'm still kind of leaning bull flag, okay? For instance, if it was a flag, it would actually be measured all the way down like this, with some big target potential, okay? We could be hitting up around 44,000 again, guys. But the reason I'm saying measure it as a wedge is because we're still in a mini accumulation phase, okay? We've been moving sideways. Remember what I said, until we break the 42.4 range or the 29 or the 28.7 range, we're not out of the woods, guys. Okay, so I'm looking for more continuations after those points, and we are very close, yes. So if we do break up here, that's a great sign. And guys, let's be real here. I would ride this trade if we end up breaking up at least to resistance. Watch to if we get in some chop, okay? And you'll notice that coincides right with wedge theory, okay? So that's exactly what I'm looking at in the price action, guys. Try to make that trade a reality. If you play your indications out of patterns, easy money, Okay, let's move over to Ethereum real quick. All right, and we're finally back up on trend here, which is very exciting, guys, and lots of patterns within patterns here, and bigger patterns as well. But let's just draw out the bigger one, guys. Okay, we definitely have an ascending tightening wedge here. Okay, now guys, those do tend to break to the downside, so again, same thing with Ethereum. We're not out of the woods. We need to break some of the major resistances, which we basically bounce right off them and form the end of this wedge here. Okay, right around 2,500 is basically the major form of resistance here. I can actually draw that out right there. Okay, so if we break that, that is some serious bullish movement for Ethereum. Okay, we've definitely been getting a lot of pressure here. Okay, we do have a total flipping of the EMAs. This is definitely some really good sign for Ethereum, but watch for a rejection or too many rejections and a rollover, guys, because this does have a tendency to break to the downside, and if that happens, we'll at least retest the 100. Okay, so watch for that movement right out of the pattern here. Okay, what's nice is we'll break the 55 before that even happens. Okay, so watch for even the 55 break. Okay, and guys, let's be real. Let's just talk Ethereum for a split second. A very, very, very amazing project with so many good things. Okay, and it has a face. That's something that's going to really play to its favor, I think, over the next few years, over even in compared to Bitcoin. But let's be real, guys. Bitcoin and Ethereum do lead the pack here, okay? And guys, if you even just have been paying attention to this coin over the last 10 days, my gosh, look at the profits. I like you even took the trade from even near the bottom here at the crossing of the 7 and 20, which is one of the main things I teach. We're talking over 30-some% here, guys. Okay. Easy money. If you even applied 10x leverage, that's over 370%, guys. Amazing gains. Phenomenal gains. Okay? But Ethereum's looking really strong right now, guys. Just watch for a reversal. We're not out of the woods yet. Okay, let's talk about Electroneum, guys. So we've had a very interesting few movements. Now, guys, just like I said about the other patterns, when a pattern plays out like this, okay, you can start to look to measure a new pattern. Okay, so we definitely have something very interesting forming right before our eyes here. Okay, so we definitely have just a long channel forming, guys. Look at this. My gosh, just a long channel. So we're in that sideways motion now, again. Now what I'm hoping for is more volume to come back into the market after we peak, and hopefully right around here somewhere, we can hopefully get a movement one way or the other. If it breaks down, I will be accumulating. If it breaks up, I have some serious bags packed already, guys. And I'll be holding it for much higher than here. I think we'll easily surpass this area over here, okay? We have to wait for the coin economics to play out. There's a lot of weak bag holders. Just don't be one of them. It's that simple, guys. Ride the wave to some good profits. These are some of the most bullish times in crypto's history. Okay? Don't be weeded out. We live in times of mass manipulation and corruption. You do not want to make a mistake that you will forever regret. Okay, there's literally people in videos saying, "Oh, I'm glad I sold my Bitcoin at $30 or something." My gosh, can you imagine just having that looming over your head and your family's head forever? Not me. Not me. Okay, guys, that's exactly what I'm looking at for Electroneum. Let's talk about the student program, guys. Just before I close up, I just wanted to show you guys some more things. So, guys, I wanted to actually highlight some of the students that are in the program right now. Just talk about them a little bit without giving too much information. Everybody likes their privacy, but let's talk about Katie. Hey, Katie, how's it going? And my gosh, she is just flying. She came to me with a suggested startup, and after just, I'd say about 14 sessions, she started to make some of her big, serious profits. I believe she is my second highest earning student right now, which is just amazing. And guys, when you're making money, let's just say you're even making $50,000 with 5 to 10. That's really life-changing. For some people, that's more than they make all year. Why wouldn't you want to do that if you could learn how for so cheaply? Okay, think about that for a moment. Charlie V, another soldier in the program. He's actually already at the Nebuchadnezzar, sitting in some amazing profits, just really crushing it. I couldn't be happier with this guy. It's incredible how we all become even friends in some way. Like, everyone's so happy that they're making so much and just learning so much that it's just becoming a self-fulfilling prophecy of just good things. Tom, another one. I actually met this guy playing a video game, like just with my buddies. We hit it off in the game, and before you know it, He's making some amazing profits. He actually just went on a vacation, and that's well deserved. Amazing times for all. Andrew from London, incredible student, all making amazing gains. These are all people that you will meet. Okay, that's the point of this, guys. It's a group of trading professionals. Okay, Bobby, this guy is a sergeant. He has some of the best charts. It's incredible. He's actually just starting his 11th hour, and it looks like he's hour 15 plus. It's incredible, and his profits are replicant of that. I mean, it's just amazing. I could go on and on. Every single one. Crypto Force, crushing, moving along. A positive player in Zion. My gosh, so many good times. We have good laughs all the time. He's coming back to me, telling me about his profits. I mean, my gosh, it's so exciting. It's exciting to watch the change. And Hillary, a very humble, good trader. My gosh, her charts are beautiful. She just finished her 10th hour. I can't even believe how good some of these charts look. It's just incredible, guys. And to be honest, I have so many more students who haven't even said too much. I mean, my gosh. And you guys all know Mitch. But guys, I could go on and on and on and on and on. The student program is just something you have to experience. If you're really trying to learn, this is how you do it. If you want to make the gains that you want to make, this is exactly how you do it, guys. And I've made it very simple. Okay, you can send payment through crypto or Venmo or PayPal. I mean, I really made it very simple for you guys. And if you're signing up through the program, just be sure to use all of the links, guys, so you can get started. And what's really nice is when you graduate from my program, I'll be giving you guys sub-affiliate links, which is very nice as well. Just so many benefits for going on and on. And guys, I'll be very transparent. As my journey keeps going, I have some amazing plans just for myself, as well as the people that are in Zion. We have a really cool journey ahead, guys. If that's something that really interests you, reach out to us today at bitcoindestar@gmail.com. My buddy Mitch will be happy to send your onboarding email. I'm actually handing the emails this week, so maybe you'll hear from me. And my gosh, guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.